Today I'll show you how to use Zoho Books so you can quickly find your way around and start managing your finances with confidence. We'll walk through the main areas of the interface, what you can do in each section, and how everything is laid out on the screen. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click when you need to handle everyday accounting tasks. First, open your browser and go to books.zoho.com. If you already have an account, go ahead and sign in. If not, you'll be prompted to create one and set up your organization. Once you're logged in, you'll land inside the Zoho Books dashboard. This is your main workspace, and it's organized into three key areas: the left sidebar, the top bar, and the central content area where your data appears. Let's start with the left-hand side of the screen. This vertical menu is where you'll spend most of your time navigating between different modules. At the top of this sidebar, you'll usually see the Home section. Home is your overview page where you can see a snapshot of your business, things like recent transactions, outstanding invoices, and overall cash flow, depending on how you've set it up. Below Home, you'll see Items. This is where you manage the products or services you sell. You can add new items, set prices, and keep track of what you offer to customers. If your business deals with stock levels, the Inventory section will be important. Inventory lets you monitor quantities on hand, track stock in and out, and make sure you don't oversell or run out unexpectedly. Next, you'll see the Sales section. This is where you create and manage quotes, invoices, customer payments, and credit notes. Whenever you're billing a customer or recording income, you'll usually start here. Right under that is Purchases, which mirrors sales but on the expense side. Use Purchases to record bills from vendors, purchase orders, and any money going out of your business. You may also see a time tracking section. This is especially helpful if you bill clients based on hours worked. You can log time entries, assign them to projects or customers, and then convert that time into invoices. Further down, you'll find Banking. This is where you connect your bank accounts, import statements, and match transactions. Spending a bit of time here regularly helps keep your books accurate and reconciled. The Accountant section contains more advanced accounting tools, such as manual journals or account settings, and is often used by your bookkeeper or CPA. You'll also see a Reports section, which is where you generate financial statements like profit and loss, balance sheet, and cash flow, along with many other detailed reports. Finally, Documents gives you a place to store and organize files, such as receipts, invoices, and other attachments related to your transactions. Now look toward the top of the screen. In the center or slightly to the left, you'll notice a search bar. This is a powerful way to quickly find almost anything in Zoho Books. You can type an invoice number, a customer name, a bill amount, or even a keyword, and Zoho Books will pull up matching records. Use this whenever you're not sure where something is located in the menus. On the top right, you'll see a set of icons and options. You'll find your organization name, which is useful if you manage more than one business in Zoho Books and need to switch between them. Near it, there's a plus icon, often labeled as Quick Create. This lets you instantly create common records like invoices, expenses, or contacts from anywhere in the app without navigating to a specific module first. You'll also see a Refer and Earn option, which leads to Zoho's referral program, along with a notifications icon that alerts you to important updates such as payment confirmations or reminders. Next to that, there's a Settings option where you can fine-tune your organization details, taxes, templates, and other preferences. Finally, you'll find your profile where you can manage your personal account information and sign out when you're done. That's the basic layout of Zoho Books: the left sidebar for modules, the top search bar for quick access to data, and the top right area for quick actions, notifications, settings, and your profile. With this structure in mind, you'll be able to explore the app more comfortably and start using Zoho Books to manage your business finances more efficiently.